In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Namecheap domain to Cloudways. When you launch a new application on Cloudways, it usually comes with a temporary address. That staging URL is useful for testing, but it is not the branded domain you actually want visitors to see. If you bought your domain through Namecheap, you still need to manually connect it to your Cloudways application so both platforms know where your website lives. To begin, log into your Cloudways account and open the application section. Select the website you want to connect. On the Access Details page, look for the field labeled Public IP. This is the server address your domain will point to. Copy that IP address because you'll need it in the next part. Now open Namecheap in a new tab and sign into your account. Go to your domain list, find the domain you want to use, and click Manage. Before changing any records, check the Name Server section under the Domain tab. Make sure it is set to Namecheap Basic DNS or Namecheap Web DNS. If the domain is using custom name servers, the DNS records in Namecheap will not control anything, so switch it back if needed and save the change. Next, open the Advanced DNS tab. This is where you tell your domain where to send traffic. Remove old placeholder records if they conflict with the setup you're creating. Then add a new A record. For the host, enter the @ symbol, which represents the root domain. In the value field, paste the Cloudways public IP you copied earlier. Leave TTL on automatic and save it. After that, add a CNAME record. For the host, enter www. In the target field, type your root domain, such as yourdomain.com, without extra characters. Leave TTL on automatic and save that as well. This makes sure both the root version of your domain and the www version can resolve correctly. Now go back to Cloudways. In your application dashboard, open Domain Management. Click Add Domain, enter your full domain name, and save the changes. Once it appears in the list, open the options next to it and choose Make Primary. Confirm the change so Cloudways treats that as the main domain for the application. After the domain is mapped, open the SSL certificate section in Cloudways. Keep the default Let's Encrypt options selected. Enter a valid email address and your domain name. Then click Install Certificate. This enables HTTPS and secures traffic to your website. Finally, review everything carefully. Make sure the domain is set as primary, the SSL certificate shows as active, and the DNS records point to the correct server IP. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to propagate, so if the site does not update instantly, give it a little while. Once everything settles, your Namecheap domain should be fully connected to Cloudways. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next